Hello everybody, and this is the week 1 overview video. I'm going to walk you through all of the components that you must complete this week. Also, don't forget you have to complete the Getting Started module as well. If I were you, I would do the Getting Started module first. And as I go through this module, remember this video will be used for different terms, so you just focus on the dates that are in your shell. Don't worry about the dates that show or the due dates that show here. So first, week 1, here's your overview and objectives. If you click here, the objectives and the outcomes are there. Week 1, if you click here, you'll see a checklist and then the video that you're watching now. Writing assignments, there aren't any this week. The homework assignments, there are 3. If you click on the actual homework assignment, I give you what you should do before you attempt it. And if you look here, this one's worth 5 points. There's no time limit. So if I were you, since there's no time limit, maybe open up the quiz, read the questions first before you do the actual reading. Then when you're ready, my button says preview, but yours will say start quiz. And it's the same thing for the other 3 homework assignments. Let me go back to the week 1 module. You should have bounced me back here. Here, quizzes, there is only 1 quiz this week. If you click on it again, it tells you everything that you should do before you take the quiz. If you look here, I have a video that I made that you may want to watch, or I recommend that you watch before you take the quiz. Again, the quiz, it's not timed. You have 2 chances. If you take both chances or both attempts, I'll take the average score. So always read this and you'll know. But for now, I've also put it in here so you know it's not timed, etc. When you're ready, click go or start quiz. Again, mine says preview because I'm in my view. Let's go back to the week 1 module. Oops, what did I do? Here we go. Sorry guys. And then the last thing here, sorry, here's the week 1 module I wanted to look at. So we had 1 quiz, and then the discussion board is here. In the discussion board, it's an icebreaker. I put an example here of what I would do in the icebreaker. But I'm going to click here. In here, the overview, read the prompt. You have to have your initial post into the discussion board by Wednesday. This lets me know that you want to be in the class. Well, what's the initial post? Here's the prompt. Introduce yourself, and I'd like you to, just briefly tell us a little about yourself. And then I also want you to put 2 truths and 1 lie. So tell us 2 things that are true about yourself and then 1 lie. Post that. When you're ready to post it, come down here where it says reply. You'll click reply. Post it here, copy and paste, because I usually do mine in a Word document first. And then once you copy and paste, hit post result, or excuse me, post reply, and then you'll be able to see other students' work as well. Until you hit post reply, you will see no other students' work. So that's what the icebreaker is. Introduce yourself, give 2 lies and 1 truth. I want to go back and show you my sample. I don't know why this is bouncing around. I apologize. So here's my sample icebreaker. So I would type this up, hello everybody, my name is Kevin, blah blah blah, and then I hear 1, 2, and 3, I gave you 2 truths and a lie. I would copy and paste this into the discussion board that I just showed you. Click reply, copy paste, post your reply. Do this by Wednesday or I will drop you from the course. This is the week 1 overview video. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.